Hi everyone, welcome to Uttara Shrini's kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today I'm going to share an Italian eggplant pesto sandwich. Pistachio basil pesto is going to give a nice aromatic and nutty flavor to our eggplant in this sandwich. The ingredients are Italian bread. I'm using Italian bread. You can use regular bread or baguettes for this recipe. Eggplant, arugula lemon basil salad. You can also substitute this using lettuce, onions and tomato. If you want to know how to make this salad, watch my video. Sliced tomatoes, olive oil, pistachio basil pesto sauce. If you like to know how to make this sauce, watch my video. If you don't have time to prepare this sauce, you can always use olive oil, salt and pepper to season the eggplant. This sauce gives additional flavor to the eggplants. Let's begin by slicing the eggplants into round discs. For marination, spread the pesto sauce and marinate the eggplant for 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes now. Let's start cooking the eggplant. To cook the eggplant in a medium flame, heat a pan, drizzle olive oil and add in the eggplants. Cook eggplants on both the sides until it becomes tender for about 3 to 4 minutes. Eggplants are cooked well. Let's take it out. To toast the bread, I'm going to use olive oil. In a medium flame heated pan, let's toast the bread. To build the sandwich, let's add the prepared salad on the base. Add sliced tomatoes. Add the cooked eggplants. Sandwiches are ready. If you like, you can add cheese. Eggplant pesto sandwich is ready for serving. Try this recipe and post your feedback on the comments section. If you like my channel, like, share, comment, subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching.